Hench, hench, Finn hench. Yeah, you should leave him there. He's safe. Everybody wants to kill snakes. There's nothing wrong with snakes. They're doing their job. If God made the world, He made the snakes too for a very good reason. They actually eat a lot of the vermin that will invade your house. Rats, mice, amphibians. And so if you leave them there, they'll be grand. They'll mind their own business, they'll enjoy the heat, and they'll keep the house clean. Now, the thing is, Mohamed, you could, if you really thought of it, you could put them in your bed and then tell Isam to go to bed, and then he goes to bed and he'll be asleep, and the hench will come in and say, Isam, you're hotter than the air conditioning, because they love the heat. Did you think of that?